ready for another message from Neville Goddard. Recently, I've been revisiting his work. I am a channel, and he asked me to give you some messages. Now, why would he do that when he is so eloquent? When I questioned him about that, he said, Rebecca, I used to give lectures that were 2 hours long and nobody would move. But in my observation from the other side, the attention span of humans has greatly diminished. I'm going to get out of the way and let him speak directly to you. My voice is not going to change. He doesn't require that. You know what? Any being of light, he's on the other side, he's a being of light, is looking for a willing communicator, a willing vessel. I love the way his energy feels coming in. Yes, dear ones, thank you for listening to this broadcast. And yes, it will be shorter than the ones I am known for. And yes, I will be using the vocabulary of Rebecca. And here is something that I am speaking to, and that is there needs to be some kind of physical movement to put in place with all the eloquent things that I said, which are so true and pertinent even today. Rebecca and I were speaking and saying perhaps a little more simplicity would make this great wisdom more available. And that is why any of us are here. Any of us light beings on the other side who have contributed great works to humanity still desire for those works to be prolific. And so we were speaking this morning about manifesting and about being. I am the one who already is. I am the one who already is. Just saying that, but then what do you follow it with? The idea of allowing yourself to be baptized into something new instead of what you've always had or found to be the way you assume that you are. As I was showing Rebecca, this revelation that it is time to be baptized anew with the name you choose. I am the one who already is choosing a new name. And then I did show her a vision of a lot of people, a huge crowd of people in the water, playing humorously and even baptizing one another and baptizing themselves. In this short transmission, I'm asking Rebecca to encourage you to choose a new name, a new frequency, for you are known by your frequency, and you have the power to speak forth that frequency. Speaking forth the frequency followed by some action is a great way to cement this frequency into your beingness. So how would you do that? Rebecca always insists any being of light who brings messages through her must do this kindergarten style. How could you do this, Neville? She says to me. And I say, just take some water, sprinkle it on your head, go hop in the water, do it with a friend. Take some action. The divine feminine has always said to Rebecca, humans need to touch. We need to touch. It's not all in the brain. It's not all in the head. We need touch. Studies have shown that babies who are never touched never thrive. And so I would encourage you to choose a new name for yourself. I am the one who already is prosperous. I am the one who already is certain. I am the one who already is loved. I baptize myself loved. I baptize myself prosperous. I baptize myself realizing that I am the one who already is. And so it is. And now back to Rebecca. I am Rebecca Marina. I teach people energy healing, EFT. I love teaching people how to channel. There are so many beings of light who need a spokesperson. click the link below to get more information about what's going on. And let me know, let Neville know, do you want to hear more messages from him? Do you want some short, succinct messages that you can incorporate right now? Share this video with somebody, like, subscribe, and comment. And if you want to be really bold, my friend, comment and leave the name that you are choosing, that you already are. I am the one who already is.